What's up?
What's up?
Hey folks, welcome to Osmaniye, Turkey. We are our favorite park where we were here last year. The kids really loved it. It's really dirt cheap when we were here last year. We'll see what the price is here in a little bit. So there's pretty much no lines, no queue, and you pretty much feel like you have the whole park to yourself. So with that said, let's go check out the park, tell you all about it, and go from there. Alright guys, so we just got our wristband. All you can ride, every ride for each person is 200 lira, which currently it's $10. So $10, all you can ride per person. So everybody, 50 bucks. Not bad, honestly, not bad at all. Yeah, look at this dude, whoa, look at this dude. Oh my God. Woo! What is this, Mariam? Oh my God. Hi, Mariam. We're so fast, Mariam. Camera.
Yeah.
Good? Let's go. You ready? Yeah, you ready? You have money?
We broke.
You broke?
Yeah.
We have no money. No money.
I have no money.
You have money?
Yeah.
How much money you have? $5. Oh my God, big money. Sido princess, where are you?
Here are you.
How do you do? Good job. Mwah. You scared, Mario?
No.
Let's go. Whoa. So last year, Mariam couldn't ride it because she was short. This year, she barely made it. Yeah, you're good. Good job.
Yes.
What happened? You crazy?
Hey, Marwa's
Okay, that's good. Aye, that's good. Look what we're riding. Oh, we're going this way. Wow, we're about to drop. This is so fast.
Like a turtle.
Like a turtle. Sido, why are you scared? You not scared?
See, they're not scary.
You're not scared? You sure? You should believe. You hold this? Yeah, good job. Hi guys, so what is Osmaniye town best known for? Well, let me show it to you. There you go, peanuts. They literally have peanuts benches right here. They have peanuts trash cans, cups, you name it. So they try to be as peanut as possible. Sido, what do you think? You like the park? Yeah, I see you like it. All right guys, that's it for the park. I hope you enjoyed this video. We definitely love coming here. It's a small theme park, but the culture, the family, the environment, it just makes it awesome. So hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much.